Welcome to Ank's English Journey, where we make learning English fun, practical, and part of your daily life. I'm Ank, your guide to mastering natural conversations, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today. In this episode, we're diving into a series of lively, real-world dialogues that you can use at home, work, or out in the world. These conversations will sharpen your listening skills, boost your confidence in speaking, and help you sound like a native speaker in no time. So, grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into the fun of learning English naturally. Before we get started, let me ask you something. Have you ever chatted with a friend about your weekend plans? Maybe you've shared a quick moment with a coworker about a project or talked to a neighbor about the weather. These everyday moments are where English comes alive. And today, we're going to practice exactly those kinds of conversations. Let's kick things off with a simple chat between two friends, Mia and Liam, catching up at a cozy cafe.
Hey Liam, it's been ages since we last hung out. How's everything going? Mia, so good to see you. I'm doing great, just keeping busy with work. How about you? Oh, same here. Work's been hectic, but I'm loving it. I just started a new yoga class, too. It's so relaxing. That sounds awesome. I've been thinking about trying yoga myself. How's it going for you? It's amazing. I feel so calm afterward. You should join me next week.
See how natural that sounds? It's just a friendly catch-up, the kind you'd have with a buddy over coffee. These moments are perfect for practicing casual English. Let's try another scenario. Picture yourself at the local market, running into your neighbor, Emma.
Hi, Ank. Fancy seeing you here? Stocking up for the week?
Hey, Emma. Yeah, just grabbing some veggies for dinner. What about you?
Same. I'm planning a big family dinner this weekend. Any fun plans for you?
Oh, nice. I'm thinking of hiking with my brother on Saturday. The weather's supposed to be perfect.
That sounds so fun. Let me know how it goes.
This kind of quick exchange is so common, whether you're at the store or passing someone on the street. The key is to keep it light and friendly. Now, let's switch to a family moment. Imagine you're chatting with your partner, Sam, about what to do this weekend. Sam, any ideas for the weekend? I was thinking we could do something outdoors.
Oh, I'd love that. Maybe a picnic in the park? The kids would have a blast.
Great idea. We could pack some sandwiches and play frisbee. What time works for you?
How about Saturday afternoon? We can head out after lunch.
Perfect. I'll handle the food if you grab the blanket and games. Isn't that simple? These kinds of chats happen all the time, and they're great for practicing everyday phrases like, "What time works for you?" or "Great idea." Now, let's move to a workplace scenario. Imagine you're talking to your coworker, Priya, about a new project.
Hey, Ank, have you started on the new marketing plan yet?
Yeah, I've got a rough draft going. It's coming together, but I could use your input on the visuals.
Sure thing. I can work on the graphics this afternoon. Want me to send you a draft by tomorrow?
That'd be awesome. Let's meet up tomorrow to go over everything.
Sounds good. I'll make sure it's ready.
This workplace chat is polite yet productive, perfect for collaborating with colleagues. Notice how clear and friendly the language is. It's all about teamwork. Let's try another situation. You're at the doctor's office for a checkup.
Ank, the doctor's ready for you. Please follow me.
Good afternoon, Ank. What's brought you in today?
Hi, doctor. I've had a bit of a cough for a few days, and I just wanted to make sure it's nothing serious.
Let's take a look. Can you describe the cough? Is it dry or productive?
It's mostly dry, and it's worse at night.
Okay, I'll check your throat and lungs. We'll figure this out.
This kind of clear, straightforward language is key when talking about health. Practice phrases like, "Can you describe?" to sound confident in these situations. Now, let's head to a bakery where you're picking up some treats.
Morning. Welcome to Sunny Bakes. What can I get started for you?
Hi. I'd love a loaf of sourdough and a couple of croissants, please.
Great choice. Anything else I can grab for you?
Maybe a few chocolate chip cookies for the kids.
Got it. I'll pack those up for you.
Such a simple interaction, but it's packed with useful phrases like, "What can I get started for you?" that you'll hear in shops everywhere. Now, imagine your neighbor, Mr. Chen, stops by to ask for a favor.
Hi, Ank. Sorry to pop by unannounced. Do you have a ladder I could borrow?
Hey, Mr. Chen, no problem at all. Let me check the garage. Yep, here's one. When do you need it back?
Oh, just by tomorrow evening, if that's okay. Thanks so much.
Anytime. Just let me know if you need anything else. This exchange is all about being helpful and neighborly. Phrases like, "no problem at all," make you sound warm and approachable. Let's try a phone call scenario. You're booking a haircut.
Hello, City Salon. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to book a haircut for next week, please.
Sure thing. Are you free on Tuesday at 3 p.m.?
That works perfectly. Can you book me in for that?
All set. See you Tuesday at 3.
Phone calls can feel tricky, but with practice, they get easier. Keep your tone clear and polite, and you're golden. Now, let's shift to a family moment. Helping your daughter, Lila, with her homework.
Mom, can you help me with my science project? I'm stuck on this part about planets.
Of course, Lila. Let's take a look. Oh, this is about the solar system. Want to start by listing the planets in order?
Okay, I think I can do that. Mercury, Venus, what's next?
Earth, then Mars. You're doing great. Let's write these down together. This kind of supportive chat is perfect for practicing family-oriented English. It's encouraging and builds confidence, both for you and your kids. Now, let's imagine you're planning a picnic with your friend, Tara.
Hey, Ank, want to have a picnic this Sunday? The park's gorgeous this time of year.
Love that idea, Tara. I'm in. Should I bring some snacks?
Perfect. I'll handle drinks and sandwiches. How about 1 p.m. at the lake?
Sounds great. I'll bring some fruit and chips. It's gonna be a blast.
Totally. Can't wait to chill by the water.
This friendly exchange is all about making plans and keeping things fun. Notice how easy it is to use phrases like "I'm in" or "should I bring" to plan outings. Let's try a workplace scenario again, this time with your boss, Miss Patel.
Morning, Ank. How's the report coming along?
Hi, Miss Patel. It's almost done, just polishing the final section. I'll have it to you by noon.
Excellent. Let me know if you need any feedback before submitting.
Will do. Thanks for checking in. Short, professional, and to the point, this is how you communicate effectively at work. Now, let's wrap up with a story about a young professional, Zara, who's balancing work and family life. Zara's a graphic designer with 2 young kids. One morning, she's rushing to get everyone ready before heading to work.
Okay, kids, breakfast is ready. Pancakes and fruit, let's eat quickly. Yumpan shakes. Can I have syrup, Mom? Sure, but just a little. We've got to leave for school soon. After dropping the kids off, Zara heads to her favorite coffee shop and chats with the barista, Tom.
Morning, Sarah. Uswa latte today?
You know me too well, Tom. Yes, please. and maybe a muffin to go.
Coming right up. Big day ahead?
Oh yeah, I've got a client meeting and a deadline to hit. Later, at work, Zara catches up with her coworker, Raj.
Zara, the client loved your last design. Ready for the next project?
Thanks, Raj. I'm pumped. Can we brainstorm some ideas this afternoon?
Definitely. Let's meet at 2.
This story shows how Zara juggles her busy life, using English in different settings shown, a coffee shop, and work. Each conversation is short, natural, and full of phrases you can use, like, can we brainstorm? Or usual latte today. Wow, we've covered so much today, from casual chats with friends to professional talks at work and family moments at home. These conversations are the heart of everyday English, and the more you practice them, the more confident you'll feel. Try repeating these dialogues out loud, or even role-play them with a friend. Imagine yourself in these scenarios, and soon you'll be speaking English as naturally as Zara, Mia, or Ankh. If you loved this episode, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and let me know in the comments what kind of conversations you want to practice next. Keep shining, and I'll see you in the next episode of Ankh's English Journey.